Yeah, happy Wednesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. I want to do a walkthrough. It's July, and in case you haven't been here, we're always changing stuff around here at the shop. As you come in here on the left, there is the desktop table. To the left there is that souped up Optiplex 390, second gen. This has got an i7 27 or 2600K quad core in it, 8 gigs of RAM, a 240 gig SSD with Linux Mint, optical drive, wireless, all that kind of good stuff. 175 plus tax, 30-day hardware warranty. Over on the other side is the gamer. That's the Ryzen 5 AM4 5500 with a 6-core processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and an Intel Arc B580. That one's 950 plus tax, 2-year hardware warranty. That even has an optical drive for that older software in case you want to burn CDs and DVDs or watch movies. Over here on the other side is the retro shelf or retro disk, Windows 7. The one on the left is a Core 2 Duo Tower. It's got 4 gigs of DDR2, 120 gig SSD with Windows 7 Pro on it, with a 500 gig storage drive. That's even got kind of a little 120 millimeter AIO to cool the processor. That one's 175 plus tax, 30-day hardware warranty. On the other side is just kind of a basic little onboard video. That's an Athlon 2 dual core, 4 gigs of DDR3, and there's a 500 gig SATA drive in it. That one's got an optical drive in it. $100 plus tax, tower only. Here over in the corner is kind of the shelf we added a few months ago. You name it, it's up there. There's there's a brand new PC case that's pink, mid-tower case. That one's $100 plus tax. There on the next shelf is the audio gear. There's PC speakers in, of course, retro beige or black. There's some fancy USB microphones. There's even it looks like on the end there is some of the 1/4-inch phono microphones. Down below it is a shelf with some webcams. There's a laptop cooler, some routers. Oh, there's that router over in the corner that even has that, it's been flashed to the OpenWRT OS on it. So pretty fancy router there in the corner. And then even a CB. Down below that is some display cables, various stuff, HDMI, DVI. There's some display port cables. Looks like there's some headsets over there in the corner and a little bit of everything. And then down below it is even some retro stuff with some docks. There's some TV stuff and even some PCI slot cards over there. Down over here on the laptop shelf, starting at kind of the top or the mid, is there's a Dell that's an Optiplex 5060 i7 8th gen hex core, 16 gigs of RAM and a 500 gig M.2. It's got wireless USB-C. It's got the optical drive. That one's 350 plus tax, tower only with a 90-day hardware warranty. Then the laptops, we got a couple Windows 11 ThinkPads. There's a T15 Gen 1 on the left there at 600 plus tax, 90-day. Then there's a T14 Gen 2 with 500 gig M.2, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 2-year warranty for 700 plus tax. That's repair or replace for 2 full years. And then there is that T430. I'm happy with that one. Came out really nice. The replacement palm rest with the touchpad and all that, it looks like it had really low mileage, so that one's in really good shape. That's got a quad-core i7, been upgraded, 8 gigs of RAM. There's a 240 gig SSD, mints loaded on it, clean screen, all that kind of good stuff, 300 plus tax, 30-day hardware warranty on that one. And then last but not least on the retro shelf, there's that Linux desktop, $100 tower only, 3rd gen i5, 8 gigs of RAM and a 240 gig SSD. Got kind of that standard Mint load I put on there with the software. Below it is some retro stuff. There's some VHS, brand new in the package VHS tapes, 4 of them for $25. There's a cassette deck. There's a VHS tape rewinder. And then below that is some more retro sound gear. There's a laser printer. I've even got an inkjet printer if you need an inkjet printer. They're both used, and work just fine. So you never know what you find here at Jets PC. Come by and see us. We're at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for tuning in this morning, and by all means, head over to our YouTube channel for all our content and hit subscribe. Y'all have a good morning.